The pulp is then dried in an open area and piled together. At this point, workers use a forklift to transfer the scraps to the conveyor belt. The paper scraps go straight to the top of the factory building and are finally sent to the spherical container. Here, workers need to enter the container to handle the paper scraps, which is very dangerous. Once the container is full, workers start adding water. They seal the container with an oval lid and start the equipment to rotate the sphere. After about 2 hours of operation, the internal gas is discharged and the lid is opened to release the paper scraps inside. Workers then use a hose to flush the paper scraps into the pool for stirring and sedimentation. The pulp is transported to a high place to start the paper making process. The pulp evenly adheres to the rollers, forming through pressing and water control. After a series of pressing and drying, the paper is basically formed. It is then cut into new sheets, printed with patterns using a printing machine, and cut to the appropriate size according to standard specifications. The paper is then coated with a layer of glue and rolled up. After rolling, it is taken outside to be baked and dried. The paper cones are then trimmed again, and a layer of anti-slip coating is sprayed on the surface. The qualified paper cones are now complete. Do you know where these paper cones are used?